him, Mr. 15K himself. Today, as you can tell from the thumbnail, we got something dope. I just got my hands on something dope, and I want to share the experience with you guys. So I just got my hands on might be Cuban, yeah, made by the Cubans. You can't get a Cuban if it ain't made by the Cubans, you feel me? So, as you can tell from the thumbnail, it's rose gold. That's all I'm gonna tell you right now. The rest of it, we're gonna get into it together. I ain't gonna talk you guys to death, let's get into it. It's the big box that come in like this. I'm geek, can't even lie, I'm geek. Been waiting on it for a minute. They told me it'd take 3 or 4 weeks. It ended up coming in 5 weeks to be exact. I put an order in for 300 grams, I'll tell you that. 300 grams ended up being a little over. Make sure you got like a little back like that. So I told you it's supposed to be 300 grams. It ended up coming in a little over 22 inches, solid rose gold Cuban link. Come with a little pack like this. So, oh, that's nice. Come with a little case like this. So on the video today, we're gonna do a hang straight test. We're also gonna weigh it and see how much extra it came over. It was supposed to be 13 millimeters. It's really nice. I ended up going with rose gold instead of yellow gold because I told myself like, all 2022 we coming with flavor. It's expected for everybody to go get yellow gold. So I said, why not go get rose, you know? It's nice. That's how that boy look. Let's listen for the look. Oh, them boys tough, let's see. So we gotta listen for the click. Ooh, that boy tough. Let me see, let's run it back. Good click. Hopefully y'all can hear that. Let's run it back one more time for y'all. Click. Click. Click, we sounded good. I ended up going with 10 karat too. I know everybody be saying like don't get 10 karat, but I went with what I could afford. I'm gonna do a hang straight test for you guys again. Man, these things on here tight, man. I'm gonna do a hang straight test, let's see. I ended up going with Lost Village Jury too. It was either between them or Daniel Jury for me. So let's do the hang straight test. I don't know, man. Boy ain't hanging straight now. Boy is not hanging straight. We're not hanging straight, y'all. Boy got a little twist in it or something. Okay. I don't know why that boy not hanging straight. I'm so picky, man. So the hang straight aspect is actually important to me, but it's not hanging straight, so I'm gonna carry on with the video. So first and foremost, we're gonna check the weight. Turn this boy all the way up to see. Teach y'all something too. To zero out a scale, a nickel should always weigh 5 grams. Coming with flavor, all 22, man. All 22, that's why I went rose, man. Let's do a little something different, you know? So that boy said it came in at 316. They tell you it's gonna be a little over or a little under. I wanted 300, so this boy is 16 grams over. I ain't gonna complain about that. happy at that point. Another thing too, I got this rose because I wanted to match my white sticks. I'm from Detroit, so our thing is Cartiers. Gotta have you a good pair of Cartiers. With the Cartiers, these brackets, you can either go platinum, you can go yellow gold. I want mine's rose, so that's why I went rose for the Cuban. So I'm matching it. Hopefully y'all boys can see that. Now I'm gonna gauge and check the millimeter. It's supposed to be 13 millimeters. We're coming in there. We're coming in at 14.6. I need to try it again for y'all. 14.64. I guess the only thing left to show y'all only thing left to show y'all now is how I look on neck. Let's get into it. I hear the click. Click, click. That's how we look on neck. Boy, look lovely. She look beautiful. So this is actually my second Cuban. And the way I wear mine, I like to wear it inside out. Show the box lock. I went with the box lock instead of the sleeve lock. I just wanted a more so classic look. I want y'all guys to comment. Let me know what y'all think. Another thing too I want to show y'all how I look tucked in. For the little light flex, just show you how I look on the neck. You always gotta play it up, Have it on the neck. Have that boy tucked in, they know what's going on. If you guys enjoyed this video, go hit a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all, man. Until next time.